I'm revving a little bit the engine, and when I press the gas around 4,000 RPM, maybe a little more or less, but around this kind of hear like a hissing at the pedals. Let's see if I can catch the sound. So it's like a hiss, like so let's press the gas again. So this is mostly when the engine it's fully warmed up at about 4,000 so RPM. And this will be the brake booster seal at the brake pedal plunger or something like that. So the brake pedal has a cylinder that goes inside the brake booster. It's right under there, and there's a rubber gasket that's a black one. And that gasket gets soft after maybe 10-15 years or so, and it needs replaced and starts leaking air actually. So basically it's leaking vacuum.